Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Steamfast SF370 Canister Vacuum Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: Steamfast SF370 Canister Cleaner comes up with 15 accessories for different occasions. You can use these accessories to clean and sanitize not only one place, but every dirty place. This steamer has wheels that help you to carry it everywhere. The handles for carrying give you easy portability. This cleaner comes with a power cord that is 15 foot long. Also, it has a log hose that helps you to clean those areas which are difficult to access. Besides these, it includes brushes for cleaning, mop pad, jet nozzle, scrub tools, squeegee, a fill cup and much more. Further, like all other steam cleaners, this cleaner also has a water tank that has a large capacity. You can heat up 48 ounces of water in less than 8 minutes. It will provide steam continuously for 45 minutes. Steamfast SF370 Canister Cleaner allows you to clean and sanitize your place without using harmful chemicals. It is excellent to eliminate stains, grime, grease, and mold. You can apply this steamer on white areas to remove sticky messes. This steam cleaner contains a control system of steam. You can control steam by pressing on the button. You can open and lock the hot steam with one press. It can continue to steam for 45 minutes. The use of this steamer is not limited only to one place, rather you can apply the hot steam to remove dust for every surface such as wood flooring, grout, granite, ceramic, grills, autos, and laminate etc. This hot steam will kill bacteria and other disease-causing germs. Pros: kill bacteria and other germs. Heavy capacity water tank. Includes 15 accessories for versatile use. Free from harsh chemicals. Suitable for cleaning all floors. Portable and lightweight design. Cons: the steam hose is short. The unit may fail after a few uses.